And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Andrew Chung.
Welcome back, everyone. We did see some spotty showers earlier today, primarily in the mid and lower valley. Not a lot of coverage, but what did transpire, it was heavy at times, especially for Weslaco. Right now, things are looking pretty quiet across the board. It should stay mostly quiet for the rest of tonight. We may see some coastal showers by the morning, and then by the afternoon, a better chance for scattered showers and thunderstorms for Labor Day Monday. Look at the temperatures right now. We are mostly in the 80s, but it is in the upper 70s here in Weslaco. Your day planner forecast for Labor Day Monday. Coastal shower possible at 8 a.m. with temperatures in the mid-70s. We are going to call for a 50% chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms, especially for the afternoon. So we're not looking at an all-day rain event, but any rain that does fall could be heavy at times. Do have the rain gear, especially if you're going to be outside. The temperatures are in the upper 80s at noon and upper 80s at 5 p.m. We are tracking the tropics here at Channel 5, and we have been watching this area of low pressure in the southwestern Gulf of Mexico. Right now, the National Hurricane Center places just a 20% chance of development over the next 5 days, but this area of low pressure may give us a little better rain chance for tomorrow into Tuesday and Wednesday. Over to the east of Hurricane Irma in the eastern Atlantic, we have another tropical wave that right now has a 60% chance of development, but is days and days away from any landmass. And of course, here is Irma. The latest numbers on Hurricane Irma: Category 3 hurricane with maximum winds of 115 miles an hour. Irma moving to the west-southwest at 14 miles an hour. Hurricane watches are already up for parts of the Lesser Antilles, and here's the official forecast track from the Hurricane Center. It takes Irma back toward the west-northwest this week, becoming a Category 4 hurricane. You will notice that parts of the Bahamas, Cuba, Haiti, Dominican Republic are in that forecast cone, and this forecast could very well change over the next couple of days. Now, let me show you the computer spaghetti models. At this point, none of the models take Irma toward Texas, but a lot of them want to take Irma toward Florida and the Bahamas. But again, these models could very well change over the next few days. Basically, anybody from Florida to the Carolinas, the Mid-Atlantic, should be watching Irma very carefully this week. Back home in Texas, we talked about that area of low pressure in the southwestern Gulf of Mexico. That'll give us better rain chances over the next 3 days. We're calling for better chances for scattered showers and thunderstorms, but the even bigger news is this early front that should make its way into the valley by, we now think, Wednesday late afternoon or Wednesday night. And behind it, you're going to like the weather when you wake up Friday morning. It's going to be cooler by Friday morning with temperatures in the mid-60s. So Thursday night's going to feel nice. Friday night, very nice for the games, we think. And even better behind the front, that humidity is gone for a couple of days. Should be very nice to end the week. And that front should also be our friend, because if everything pans out, we're talking about the timing, that front should keep Irma away from the Gulf of Mexico and Texas. Rain chances 50% tomorrow, 50% Tuesday, and 50% for Wednesday. On the water, we'll have winds out of the east at 5 to 10 knots. The bay waters are light, chop seas are 1 to 2 feet. So the 7-day forecast, the temperature is a little bit cooler this week. Normal high temperature is 95, so we are below normal for this week. Upper 80s Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Better chance of showers and thunderstorms through Wednesday. But look at Friday morning, folks, down to 64 degrees when you wake up. That's your First Warn 5 forecast. Now here's